The iPhone can now be updated to iOS 16.4, which features several new emojis, including shaking face, light blue heart, and donkey, as well as a voice isolation feature for clearer cellular phone calls. Other updates include Safari-based push notifications, duplicate album support for the iCloud shared photo library, crash detection optimizations for the iPhone 14 series, voiceover support for maps in the Weather app, and bug fixes and security updates. To update your iPhone to iOS 16.4, you must first check whether your device is compatible. Only iPhones released in 2017 or later, such as iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone SE, second generation and up, and the new iPhone 14, can run iOS 16.4. Before updating your iPhone, it's important to take necessary precautions and back up your device. Although your iPhone automatically backs up itself when connected to Wi-Fi and power during your regular sleep hours, it's always a good practice to manually back up your device. To do this, go to Settings, then to your name, and then to iCloud Backup. From there, select Backup Now to manually initiate a backup. In addition to this, you can also back up your iPhone using Finder on your Mac. This method allows you to create a backup of your device and store it on your computer. To do so, simply connect your iPhone to your Mac, open Finder, select your device, and create a backup. Apple recommends archiving your backup to prevent it from being overwritten by other backups. To ensure a smooth download and installation process, follow these steps. 1. Connect your iPhone to a power source, and ensure the battery level is over 20%. 2. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download iOS 16.4. 3. Free up sufficient storage space by deleting large files and apps in Settings, going to General, and then selecting iPhone Storage. Once you've taken the necessary precautions to back up your device, you can begin downloading iOS 16.4. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, select General, and then choose Software Update. If an update is available, you'll see an option to download and install iOS 16.4. After initiating the download, you'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the update has been downloaded and an estimate of the remaining time until completion. Once the download is finished, your iPhone will restart and begin installing the update. It's important to let the installation process run its course and not interrupt it by turning off your device or disconnecting it from power. When the installation is complete, your iPhone will reboot and you'll need to follow any prompts to finish setting up iOS 16.4.